Hello travelers, come on in. Alright guys, welcome to the celebrity reflection. We are in a king-sized room, balcony room, and I wanted to show you guys around a little bit so I can show you guys what you get when you get on the celebrity reflection. We decided a balcony room because it's Jamie's birthday. We really just love having a balcony. It just makes a huge difference when you're in these smaller rooms. So I am super excited to show you guys around. We have the bathroom in here. Our bathroom is pretty large, in my opinion, for a cruise ship bathroom. I've been in many different rooms before, and most of the time they're a lot smaller. So I'm pretty pleased with the size of this bathroom. And something that I love is that we have this full length mirror right here, which is so nice. So follow me over here. All right, so in this area we have my getting ready area that I'm really excited about. Then behind me we have a full length closet, and then we also have a couch right here that does convert to a bed if you were to have multiple people in the room, so that's really good. We also have a TV and just a couple of drawers right here, and then let me show you guys the bed. All right, so this is a king-size bed, which will be super comfortable for Jamie and I. And honestly, even though it's a king-size bed, it's still, there's plenty of enough room in here to be super comfortable. And yeah, so very, very comfortable bed. Excited to try it out tonight for sleep. And then let me show you guys the balcony. All right, here's the balcony. Alright guys, here is the balcony. Tons of room to have coffee here in the morning, to just relax this entire weekend. This is truly what I pay for when I pay for these types of rooms, and I have no regrets at all. This is totally what makes it for me, especially in the mornings watching the sunrise or watching the sunset. So yeah, there you go. That's the balcony. Alright, so that is a tour of our room. It's a super cute little room, perfect for the weekend. I'm really excited to explore this ship. It's my first time being on the celebrity reflection, so look out for another video with a breakdown of the cruise ship and all it has to offer. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe if you're new around here, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye and happy travels!